Mr. Hamad bin Khalik. Hello, sir. Assalamu alaikum. Good morning.
Thank you for having me over, and thank you for giving us an opportunity for sharing this news to a lot larger audience that you guys have.
That's wonderful, and I believe that we are in conversation with you, and that you at the very moment are in Lahore.
Yes, I am in Lahore.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ
Thank you for sending the message out.
ਕੀ ਹਾਲ ਹੈ ਠੀਕ ਹੋ ਵਾਲੋ
बिल्कुल ठीक ठाक जी. Thank you so much.
Zabardast ho gaya. Okay, sir, let's get to it straight. Sir, first of all, congratulations. I think that this is something which was required for the progress of Pakistan, and obviously, for all of those people who dreamt of having their own startups, they never had this support as well. So please let us know about this program as well, and what took you so long. Kahan reh gaye the aap?
Okay, Shazad, thank you once again, and let me give you a brief history of how it all started. Punjab IT Board is basically opened Pakistan's first public incubator named as Plan 9 back in 2012. So हम कहीं रह नहीं गए थे. It has been there, and Plan 9 has produced quite remarkable startups in the ecosystem as well. It has graduated more than 200 startups in its 8-year journey. So after that journey, the Punjab government recently decided to take this incubation facility outside Lahore, Karachi and Islamabad, where primarily all the incubation facilities are located here. So now the Punjab government decided that in next 3 years, we're going to take this to all divisional headquarters of Punjab, which coincidentally are also 9. So we are opening 9 incubation centers across Pakistan now, across Punjab now, and in the first phase before June, we are launching 3 of those centers, as you mentioned earlier.
Okay, sir. Adding on to this as well, whenever we hear about incubation centers, obviously the idea is great that we actually have people who are going to look after our free office space, monthly stipend, networking opportunities, mentorship, trainings, and workshops. So, when we're talking about you opening up incubation centers in 9 different places within the province Punjab, how do you think it's going to work, and how do you think that it's going to have that uniformity as well, that the standards may not vary, may the city vary, or probably the village may vary as well?
Great question, Shazad. So primarily we have been doing this for about 8 years in one location, which is in Lahore, Arfa Tower, at PITB's head office. Now what we have done is that we have partnered up with government universities across these 9 DHQs. So they will be running in collaboration with the university. The collaboration will work out, the university will be offering a free space, whereas PITB will be as per their experience in the incubation, will be giving the incubation curriculum and all the expenses related to the incubation program. So what we are doing is we have developed a curriculum and a design of incubation, which we have learned over a period of 8 years, and we will be implementing that across the board. So it doesn't matter if you are in Sargodha or Lahore or Faisalabad, the incubation cycle and the facilities being offered will be exactly the same.
I think that's wonderful, and obviously this is the way forward as well. But now, sir, coming down to the point that who can actually apply for support. I mean, for example, in terms of startups, whenever we talk about startups, we know that people do come up with some great business ideas, but once they're given that amount of money, they just get somewhere, they just get lost with the money as well. So we obviously do not want to move to that phase as well, and we know that with incubation centers the process is very different. So what is the process like, who can apply, and how to apply, and where to apply?
Okay. So Shazad, the website is live. We have a Facebook page as well, so you can, if you need to find out where to apply, that's where you can go to. Secondly, it is open for everyone and anyone who is above 18. There is no requirement of any degree. If you are 18 years and above, you can apply for the program and you can get incubated in one of these facilities, depending upon where you are looking for the incubation. So you can log on to our website or just Google our Facebook page. You'll find the links everywhere, and you can apply for incubation. All you need to do is have a good idea, a business idea, and be above 18 years of age. That's all.
Exactly. And sir, since you said that that the anybody can apply, so the registration link, please correct me if I'm wrong, is tinyurl.com/Lahore Launchpad. Is that true?
It is. TinyURL. That's the link after that, exactly.
Okay, that's wonderful as well. But now here's the good news. I think all of Pakistan and people wherever you are, I think it's a good news, because you just mentioned that you really do not need a degree to apply or register to with the incubation center. Is that true?
It is true. It is true.
Wonderful. We're moving in the right direction over here. I'm very happy after actually listening to these very amazing words which came out of your mouth, Hamad Sahab, as well, because now is the time when everybody is realizing that it's totally about the skill. It's not really the kind of education you're equipped with. So wasn't it difficult for PIBT as well, while you guys were making sure that, okay, this is how Plan 9 is going to go out, or the launch pad is going to go out? Who came up with this idea that, hey, you know what, we do not require a degree, we need a great business plan?
Okay, so the culture and the learnings, to be able to inculcate these learnings, you need to have a very agile culture. So we have been doing this program. We were the first one to start off a public incubator in Pakistan, by the way, which runs on a zero equity model. And zero equity means the equity or the ownership of the business stays 100% of the founder or the startup person who has started it.
Yeah, I read that as well, zero equity, right?
Yeah, yeah. So it means the government is offering you all these services. I'm giving you stipend, giving you free office space, no utility bills. It is against zero equity. The ownership of the business is 100% yours. So we've been doing this. So we learned one thing, that most of these people, a lot of these people come from, they are either university dropouts, or they have a skill in certain domain. They don't possess degrees. So we designed, so we had to design it in a way where everyone could benefit from this. So one more thing, interesting element, that when we were planning to scale this to different cities across Punjab, one of the concern was that if you are housing them in universities, they should only be catering to the students of those universities. So we made sure that there is no quota for any certain university or any certain category. I mean, if you have the only criteria is if you have a good idea and you've got what it takes to execute that idea, you are surely in. So that's how we plan to execute it, and we're looking forward that we will see a great spike in the entrepreneurial activity across Punjab once this kind of an incubation facility is offered to the public.
Wow, that's wonderful, and it's a good news for everybody who's probably over here in Pakistan or Punjab for that reason as well. But two more things as well, and that is that, since we are talking about, and this is an initiative of Punjab Information Technology Board, so are we only looking into people coming up with business ideas which revolve around information technology, or it can be anything? It can be construction for that reason, or it can be merchandising, or it can be anything out of this world, number one. Number two, now since we are talking about this Plan 9, Regional Plan 9 as well, so can people from Sindh apply to PIBT as well, for startups as well, or for Sindh, or for Balochistan, or Gilgit-Baltistan, or KPK, we are going to have different platforms?
Okay. Thank you so much, Shahzad. Great questions. They are helping people know more and more about it. So great questions. Hats off to you. Coming back to your first question, which is, are these facilities? Let me answer your second question first. So you asked that can people outside Punjab apply for these as well? There's a separate program for people outside Punjab. PITB is also rolling out a project under Ministry of IT and Telecom, in which we are opening about 13 incubation centers across Pakistan. So those incubation centers will be across Pakistan, covering even Gilgit-Baltistan and Azad Kashmir, all the way to Karachi, so to the south of Pakistan. So that's a different program, and we can share those details later. But at the moment, I'm here to discuss this program. So people outside Punjab can apply at the moment, provided you can avail the incubation facility at a particular geographic location. So that's the requirement. Number two, if you are a traditional business, can you apply to this incubation program or not? Well, you need to have an IT element to your business to be able to apply to an incubation program which falls under our project. So you can be e-commerce store, probably you can be anything which has an IT element. So you have a normal traditional business, but you have an e-commerce, you want to set up the e-commerce, that's how you can get in. But then there are a lot of other domains of technology as well, which is health tech, SaaS, IoT. So you fall under those domains, you can apply for incubation, but you need to have a technology element to your business.
Exactly, that's wonderful. Thank you very much, Hamad Sahab, for being with us. It was lovely to be in conversation, and the kind of happy face you have, I wish you best of luck, and PITB best of luck with this Regional Plan 9 plan as well, or the launch pad for that matter. Thank you very much for being with us. It was wonderful to be in conversation, and I'm a very happy man after listening to whatever you had to share for the people of Pakistan, that they will be able to do what they ever dreamt of as well. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much, Shazad and PTV, for having me over and giving us a chance to share this news with the people of Punjab and Pakistan. Thank you. Thanks a lot. Have a great day.